You and me, baby. Now I know that there's nothing more annoying than picking up a book written by some new age guru living in the epicenter of energetic grooviness, so advanced and special you could never hope to attain his or her fated heights. You can imagine them, sun-soaked and sucking down their eggplant and soy combo on their eco-friendly terrace, rattling off yet another smug little bunch of pages as they benevolently attempt to steer your ignorant ass into positively transforming your life. Man, I totally get that. Most likely being the particular kind of slob you are, that's not the life you want. And it's certainly not my life. Not at all. In fact, despite its dust and downright gritty grottiness, for me there is really nothing like smoke-choked, crazy-making, love-it-hate-it big city living. The fact is, you just want to make it all somehow run a little more smoothly, connect a little more deeply, and most of all, you want your life to work. Like a clock works, like an engine works, except with heart. And that horrible thing that just won't go away, that we all know we should be paying more attention to, our soul. You want it, but you don't want to actually put all that irritating effort into it. You've tried a bit of yoga, but it's a bit of a schlep to class and you really prefer movies and hanging with friends, or cracking a cold one open and watching the game. Therapies and groups leave you cold. They're usually filled with bored housewives or those losers who look you straight in the eyes and say meaningful, annoying stuff. And that hour, half hour, 5 minutes in the morning of deep meditation feels good, but the dog has to pee, or you have to pee, and then the day begins and there you go. Dinner arrangements, a few too many glasses of wine, and there go your plans for making it up before you go to bed. Fact is, most of us just don't give enough of a damn to make space for being spiritual, even if we want to. We're aware of the clock, that ticking away of life, and it all just seems to be too much of a bore and a chore when you come down to it. Most of us are too busy, too tired, too lazy, or simply too overwhelmed by where to start amongst all those damn books we see on the shelves. We buy them, leave them standing there on the nightstand, maybe even get around to reading them a bit, and forget it all as soon as the cover closes. And now, damn it, here's another one! Chances are you've picked it up because you and me, we're both spiritual slobs. We want it easy. We want the wham-bam of spirituality to impact us and just get the hell on with it. That wonderful, annoying, funky business of living. Yeah!